Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. It's been a while since I uploaded a YouTube video. So those of you who've subscribed to my channel and watched my previous videos, thank you very much. Now, in this video, I want to share to you a nifty gadget that I found online, and I think it will help you, okay? Especially those of you who have multiple gadgets at home. Like me, I have an iPhone, I have an Android phone, I have a smartwatch, and a tablet. And imagine your table, okay, having all of these cables, many adapters like this one, plugged in your socket, and it's gonna be a nightmare to charge everything at the same time. So I've been scouting around the FB marketplace or even online, and lo and behold, somebody locally in our country was offering this one as a starter, or should I say introductory product. Okay, it's called SmartPro, and I messaged them and I pre-ordered, and it arrived to me, and I wasn't even able to test it immediately because I don't have a wireless charging phone yet. Okay, so kudos to SmartPro for bringing this to the Philippines. And this is made in China, obviously, they're the OEM, and it costs around 1,288 currently. So if you want to buy it, all the video links in the video description down below. But when I got this last year, it was about 1,000 pesos for a promo introductory price. Alright, so this is not a sponsored video from SmartPro. I bought this with my own money, just a disclaimer. Okay, so let's dive into the features and why I think this is a very handy tool to pair with your gadgets. Okay, so this is a multifunction charger, as you can see in the photo. Okay, so it comes with black and white. Okay, I have the black version, and because of the introductory price, they package in a Quick Charge 3.0 adapter. Okay, this is the recommended adapter for the product. Now this one also comes with white and black, so too bad during the time that I bought it they don't have a black one, because I got a black duck. Anyway, you won't see this most of the time. Okay, so alright, so what's inside the box? Obviously you have the dock itself. Okay, so this is you can rotate this, okay, to choose which kind of connection that you want. So again, you have a lightning port. This is the lightning port. This is the micro USB, and this is USB-C. Now you can plug in or put your Apple Airpods case here to charge it directly, or if you have an iPad Apple Watch, you can actually wrap it around here and it will charge wirelessly. And this one in the middle, it's wireless charging. Okay, it uses Qi technology. Now, if you still have some other gadgets that you like to plug in, you have the traditional USB Type A, the USB Type A at the back, and you can plug in your regular cable. Okay, and on the other end, you charge your phone. Okay, so in case your watch is the smaller version, they gave you a spacer. Okay, so you can put the spacer. Okay, you can put the spacer here in the bottom, so that when you wrap around your watch, it will charge properly. Okay, and of course it came with the user manual. Okay, now in my use case scenario, I was charging my iPhone 13 Pro Max for wirelessly. So for example, my battery then when I was testing it is at around 40%. Okay, then after 2 hours it jumped up to 80%. So it's like 20% battery for every hour of charge. Now if you hit the 80%, the iPhone or the device will actually do trickle charging, so slowly it will top up so that it will not burn in the battery. Now the good thing about this one is usually you just plug in your device there and leave it overnight, and then the next day you wake up, your tablets, your watches, your Airpods, and whatnot will be fully charged in the morning. Anyway, yeah, but don't expect quick charge, okay? Because if you put in all gadgets at the same time, you will not be able to charge fast, no? So if you want to really charge it, fast, you just use your own devices, or buy a bigger wattage power adapter. Okay, this is only rated at 18 watts. Okay, so I know iPhones can go higher than 18 watts. Okay, so yeah, so what are the pros and cons of this device, this charging dock? Okay, so what I like is it makes your desk clean. Okay, imagine all your gadgets are all here, and you don't need to contend with multiple cables like this one on your table. Okay, now, and it looks very stylish actually. So it comes with multiple colors, as I mentioned. There's a white one and a black one. In the box, it also had some other colors, but I don't think they're releasing other colors, so it's just black and white. Okay, so, and well, the cons is I would have preferred that they would be able to charge faster. Okay, if you are in a hurry, you need juice in your tablet or your phone, you would prefer just plugging it directly, or just using the USB at the back. Okay, or if you don't have if you don't want to charge wirelessly, just plug in any of these ports. That way you can charge faster. Okay, so I don't have a Apple Watch or a AirPod to test it with, but I did tested it out with an iPhone on the wireless charging, a Android tablet charging on USB-C, and at the back I charged a tablet at the same time. Okay, in the morning, as I mentioned, it all charged well. Okay, so if you have time, this is okay. You can use it. Okay, so affordability for this thing is, I think, okay. So if you want to buy it, please use the links down below to support my channel. Okay, so with that, I like to wrap up this short video, and I thank everybody for watching, and thank you very much for supporting my channel. I have more than 2,000 viewers right now, so please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech videos like this one. Okay, bye bye.